I want to get back to our coverage of the Houston catastrophe, if I can put it like that. It was a remarkable story last week, a great deal of human suffering, and an extraordinary case of rescue workers volunteering to be there. Case in point, airport worker Josh James used monster trucks to rescue Harvey victims from the floodwaters. And by the way, he joins us right now. Sir, welcome to the program. How many of these monster trucks? I mean, they're useful because they've got such extraordinary high clearance. How many did you bring to bear on the problem?
Yeah, it's funny. People always say that we have no use for those in the past, and now we're the ones laughing at them. Total with our group, we had probably about 10 of them buried in height. The ones that were in that video specifically that you guys happen to see, those were guys from Dallas that we actually called down to come help us out. I'm
used to seeing monster trucks in arenas where they plow on top of each other, and the youngsters have a great thrill out of that. Whose idea was it to bring them on board for a flood rescue?
Well, in Texas, we have high trucks everywhere. But once we realized that we were driving in waters that even our normally high trucks couldn't get to, we knew we needed bigger artillery. And we happened to have some friends. Those guys specifically were a group called Rednecks with Paychecks up in Dallas. Once we needed more help, we gave them a shout, and they were more than happy to come down and help.
You realize how shocked many people will be when they hear you say Rednecks with Paychecks in Dallas. You know, we're not used to hearing that kind of thing on TV. You know? You realize that, don't you, there?
Hey, that's their name, and they stuck with it.
We love it. We absolutely love it. Congratulations, Josh James, on a great rescue effort done off your own bat at your own expense. We think that's terrific, and we'll honor you on this program. Josh James,
well, thank you.
Yes, sir.
I can't take the full credit for it, just so you know. 3P Off-Road are the guys that coordinated everything. They're the ones that brought me in. Okay. And they did a phenomenal job. We had actually 3,100 confirmed rescues just from volunteers.
Well, well done, sir. That's good stuff, and we love it on this program. Josh James, thank you very much indeed. Good stuff.
Thank you.